In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Confluence. If you're new to Confluence or just trying to figure out how to customize the look of your pages, you're in the right place. Changing font size might seem like a simple task, but knowing the right steps can make your content more engaging and easier to read. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the specific Confluence page where you want to change the font size. It's always good to have the page in front of you before you start making any edits. Make sure you're logged into your Confluence account and find the page you need to modify. Once you're on that page, it's time to proceed to the next step. Next, select which page you want to adjust. You'll notice an option to click Edit on the page. This is a crucial step because you need to be in the editing mode to make any changes to the font size. So go ahead, click on Edit. This allows you to modify the content of the entire page. It's a small step, but pivotal for customizing any aspect of your content. Now that you're in editing mode, it's time to highlight the text you wish to change. Simply click and drag your cursor over the section of text you want to modify. This selection feature ensures that you're targeting exactly what you want to adjust without affecting other parts of your page. Once the text is selected, prepare to move on to the toolbar options to change its appearance. When your text is highlighted, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the editing window. Look for the option labeled Text Styles. It might look like an icon with various text designs, or could be a drop-down menu depending on your interface. Clicking on Text Styles will open up a variety of formatting options for you to choose from. Finally, it's time to select the text style or size you want. Browse through the options available once you click on Text Styles. You'll find preset font sizes and styles that Confluence offers. Choose the one that best suits your presentation needs. A pro tip here is to maintain consistency in your font styles across your document to keep it cohesive and professional. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to alter the font size on your Confluence page effectively. It's all about selecting the right text and utilizing the toolbar to make your content visually appealing. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles until you find the ideal look for your document. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!